Have you ever looked at a remote job and immediately you feel like, no, this job is not for me? Immediately, you feel this job is not for me because you don't have a big laptop, you don't have an Apple laptop. Now, this is the case for almost a lot of people. But believe me when I tell you that there are some remote jobs that you can easily start with your mobile phone, and with time you upgrade or you do whatever you want, but you can start it using your mobile phone. So if you're looking for remote jobs or you're trying to look at remote jobs you can actually apply to just by using your phone, then stick with me to the end of this video. In this video today, I'll be sharing with you 10 remote jobs that you can actually start with your mobile phone. Now, I'll be sharing with you as well the skills you need to actually start these remote jobs, what you can do, the requirements for this remote job, and peradventure, as the workload increase, you can decide to get a system or get a laptop. Beautiful people, welcome back to Sevazu, and this is Kemi of Sevazu. If you're seeing this video for the very first time, all we do here is to build different streams of income, build our financial life as women, as Africans. The first job we'll be looking at is a virtual assistant job. I keep saying this thing, if this is not relevant, if people are not doing this thing, there won't be new courses released every time, every year, every day for virtual assistant. People will not be requiring or demanding for a virtual assistant job. But here is the thing, like you all know, I did my ALS course on virtual assistant last year, and what I used was actually my mobile phone. I used my mobile phone for this course, and this course, you can start this course with just your mobile phone. In fact, you can start this particular remote job with your mobile phone. You can go on TikTok, you can go on LinkedIn to actually look for jobs or applications that you can actually apply to as a virtual assistant with your mobile phone. TikTok, you can go on LinkedIn to actually look for jobs or applications that you can actually apply to as a virtual assistant with your mobile phone. The second job we'll be looking at is a social media assistant. Now, a social media assistant job is closely related to a virtual assistant job. In fact, anybody who is a virtual assistant can also work as a social media person. And this is because most of what you'll be doing will actually be on your phone. Now, as a social media assistant, maybe you have a fashion business now, or you see a fashion business that is struggling to post, or a fashion business that struggles to do a lot of things online. For instance, they struggle to post on their WhatsApp channel, they struggle to reply message channel, they struggle to reply messages, they struggle to post on their Telegram. You can easily go on their post or page and actually tell them that, oh, you are a social media assistant and this is what you do. You can help them to do this, help them to do that. That is number 2. So 3 is a customer support. Now, these 3 jobs are closely related. So whether you are someone who is a virtual assistant or you are looking to become a virtual assistant, you can be a virtual assistant, you can be a social media assistant, and at the same time, you can be a customer support or a sales rep. Now, you don't need the big gadgets. What you need is your mobile phone to actually start working as a customer support agent. And you can apply for this particular job using your mobile phone, and you can do this anywhere, anytime. If at this point you have brought this video to this very level, please do well to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share. And let me know if you are looking to start your career as either a customer support or a social media assistant or probably a virtual assistant. Okay, the fourth one is a content moderator. A content moderator is someone who moderates different content from getting violations or getting a lot of backlash or all those things. Now, we have some social media personnel that maybe when something goes out of hand, these content moderators are the people they call to put some things in place. Now, as a content moderator, you'll be able to tell if this post is right for this particular platform or it is not right. You can go on different platforms and request that you be their content moderator, or you check online. There are a lot of jobs, there are a lot of remote jobs that are looking for content moderator. Number 6 is online researchers. So business constantly need people to make findings about products, research about different things and submit their findings. You can research online and apply to be an online researcher and submit your findings whenever you get valuable information that you can actually submit. Now, number 6 is to become a transcriptionist. Now, a transcriptionist is someone who listens to an audio and actually writes down what he or she hears or the notes from the audio. Now, as a transcriptionist, if you know that you are good at writing minutes, you are good at writing articles, you can also work as a transcriptionist and you write out whatever you hear. You can go on websites like rep.com, transcription me, and all those websites. Make your research and you get a lot of websites that actually require transcriptionists to actually Number 7 is to become a freelance writer. Now, if you know that you have been writing for some time, you write article, or you know how to compile stories or write down anything, you can actually use your phone to make your research about websites that are actually looking for freelance writers and start writing and start making money from those websites. You know that you're a teacher or you like to actually teach students, you can actually become an online tutor. Now, you can tutor students online using your mobile phone. We have a lot of mobile apps that can actually help you make your tutoring job super easy and actually help you do what? Make money online by becoming a tutor. Next one we'll be looking at are micro tasks. Now, micro tasks are jobs that you easily do. We have jobs like, in fact, it was rampant before, but now it has actually reduced, but still yet people are getting paid by doing micro tasks. We have micro tasks like liking a picture on social media, commenting, tweeting, reposting. We have a lot of micro tasks. Now, you can go on websites like ClickWalker and sign up for micro tasks, or actually make your own research about websites that have micro jobs for you to do. Now, if you have watched this video to this very end, please do what to like this video and share. Now, the last one is become a sales lead generator. Now, a sales lead generator is someone who knows how to make sales and make some things convert to sales. If you know that you are good in selling out properties, you're good in writing sales scripts, you can actually go online and search for businesses that are looking for lead generations or businesses that are looking for people to, convert sales for them. So now there are also certain mistakes that you need to take note if you're actually applying for online jobs here in Nigeria or in Africa as a whole. Now, there are mistakes that people actually make that I want to advise or talk about is number 1. When you see an online job, you now go and chat the people that are, how will I put it? You go and chat the people that you feel or you think they are related to the job and then you pay them. Now, if you're applying for a job, never pay for any online job. Never you pay for any online job if you're applying for a job. The second thing you need to also look out for is to be careful when you're applying for a job. You do not just apply for random jobs. Now, if you know that you are a virtual assistant and you feel there are jobs out there that you can as well do as a virtual assistant, I would advise you to work more on that your skill. That one skill that you have, work more on it. Work more on that one skill rather than joining different skills together. Now, the last but not the least is to ensure that you keep applying. You don't stop applying after just one single application, because people who are landing remote jobs do not stop applying. In fact, some people don't sleep. Some people don't sleep. They apply, they tailor CV, they send mails back to back. So if you're applying for jobs online, you need to work so hard. You need to work more on getting the right job for you. So with that being said, guys, if you have not subscribed, please click on the subscribe button, like this video and share, and let me know what job you'll be interested in applying.